Kuovonne here with a demo of my automation helper script that lets you create a list from a number. You can then use that list in repeating groups in an automation. This is particularly useful when creating a number of linked records, such as what I have here. In this Airtable interface, you can see that I've got some different projects, and each project has a different number of weeks in it, and there's a linked record for each week in the project. So when I create a new project, I can give it a name, test project, a start date, and let's say I want this one to have 4 weeks in it. So I'm going to go ahead and create this record. We can see that the new record is created, and then let's wait a little bit, and then an automation is going to run that creates all 4 of those linked records for the week based on the number that I entered here. So let's take a look at how the automation is set up. If we look at this automation, we can see the trigger here is when a record is created. Of course, you could use a different trigger if you wanted. Then I have the generate list from number script that I have in my automation helper script on my Gumroad store. You paste in the script, you create this list length input variable over here, and then you type in the number of items you want in the list, or you can select, in this case, from like a number field from the triggering record. Then click the test so that it will actually generate that list from there. So you do have to test the script before you can go on and configure the rest of the automation, because the next part is you're going to add this repeating group, and for that, the input list, let's delete this so you can see what it looks like. Select input list, and then go to here where it says that run a script, and select the list that's output from that script. And then you can test that again. And you can see that here is the list, and the list is just going to be generated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to up to whatever number that you put in. And then you can put whatever actions you want. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and for each item in the list, I'm going to create a new record. And for the number of the week, I'm going to put in that current item of the list. So you can see here, it says from not the script, not the other ones, but the current list, and then just that array value. And of course, I'm linking it to the triggering record here. And that's it.